Let's get footage. 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 Get footage. Hi everyone. Welcome back. My name is Fee, and today I just wanted to kind of do a little bit of a review slash unboxing type of video for you today. So I just got back from Paris, France. I went on a trip with my boyfriend for kind of like my birthday, end of the year vacation. We both we have stressful jobs and just wanted to take some time and get away. And while I was there, I got my eye on a few things, but I made a purchase at the Galerie Lafayette, and it's from the brand Yves Saint Laurent. So my purchase came in this box. I've seen other videos and I feel like people have gotten their package with a bow, but I'm not too upset because little mini story time in here. When I went to the store, it was the first place I hit, but I made the mistake of going on my last day. So I went to the store around 10 o'clock in the morning, and they had this item that I'm going to show you in a different color, but that's not what I wanted when I walked in there. So the guy was super sweet. Shout out to June in the Galerie Lafayette. He's like, if you can wait an hour and a half, 2 hours, we can order it from the warehouse. So I'm like, all right, let's do that. And they took it basically straight out of the shipment box from the warehouse. They had gotten more product in for the day, and I got the color and the item that I wanted. So the item that I got comes in this nice little dust bag. I wish you could feel it. It's super sturdy, and it's kind of cool if you want to put other things in it. It's kind of cool. You can like pull this little string and make it tighter. It's got the logo on the front, and then also in the package it's got this little envelope. It just has like the authentication stuff and the kind of certificate that if anything is wrong with it from a manufacturing standpoint, that they'll take care of it. So here is the product. This is the large YSL monogram bill pouch, 100% calfskin leather, and this version is the black with the gold hardware. They also have the, I think, cream, it's like an off-white kind of beige with the gold hardware as well. So it comes in 3 sizes, and I think this is the largest size of the clutch. They have a small, they have a large, and then they have the bill pouch, which I guess you can assume is the medium, but it doesn't say like medium bill pouch. And what really attracted me to this was the strap, because I feel like I'm low-key clumsy, like even though it's larger than I thought it was gonna be, but I feel like when I was looking at it on the website, I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna carry it like this, but if I'm taking it on a night out or something, too many drinks, I might just be like, oh, drop it. I just wanted to kind of show you all the stuff that you can fit in here, different ways you can utilize it. I wasn't seeing a lot of people post the video with a large monogram bill pouch, but here it is. I would definitely recommend it. If you're a small purse type of girl, or like you like clutches, or you just want to invest in something that I guess looks classy, looks timeless, and you know is more powerful than it looks, I definitely would tell you to get something like this. So it comes with 2 outside flaps, one on the outside near the logo, one on the back side, and then also on the back side there's 4 slots for your your ID, your cards, things like that, which I think I would probably use if I was going to like dinner, date night, like maybe out somewhere more secure. But if I'm going to like the city or to go out drinking, I probably wouldn't use the outside. And the inside, it's kind of like a catch-all pocket, and then another kind of like pouch you can use for little stuff. Like you can also put your cards in here, or you can put, I don't know, like bills, stuff like that. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of do a what fits in this, because I feel like if you're going out on the night town, like you want to have maybe like your cards, maybe some money, maybe a lip balm, or like whatever lipstick you're wearing, maybe put up a charger. So I'm going to put some things in here. We can see together what fits, so I guess kind of show me what I could go out on the road with, and show you what fits in it if you do want to purchase it. I am going to start with this battery pack. I'm a battery pack type of girl. I'm sticking this back pocket back here. I'm going to put it in vertically. And then let's go with this charger. So let me fold it up a little bit more small. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of loop it. Maybe wrap the cord around. So yes, I'm the type of girl that'll be like, let me get a charge off your phone. Let me plug it up. Probably standing in the club with my drink in one hand and my battery packet in my purse and my phone in the other. I'm gonna stick that in like that. So let's do something a little wonky now. So I'm gonna take like this big lipstick. This is the Fenty Stunna lip paint in Uncensored. And I wanna try and see if I can fit that stuff and this lipstick. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of large. So if we could fit something like this, then we can definitely fit something like skinny like that on top. Okay, so I'm putting it in horizontally. It's fitting. Can it zip? Okay, the zip's not that bad. But we don't have a phone in here yet, so let's try and stick the phone on the outside. Okay, so we stick the phone on the outside. It's getting a little bit, like it's not bulky from the side, but it's kind of wonky in the center. So let me not put that large lipstick in there. Okay, so something like this won't fit. So let's try something a little bit smaller. This is the baby Fenty, what do they call this? Lip gloss? No, gloss bomb. Fenty gloss bomb. So we're gonna put that in here vertically. Okay, that fits. Zips. But I guess that's maybe not where I should put the phone. So the phone is giving it this weird shape. So we're gonna put the phone in the back instead of the front and see if that fixes the problem a little bit. And then put this in the middle. Okay, so I switched positions. I put the phone in the back and I put the portable charger in the center. It's not too bad. Okay, and I think I would still have room for like cards and money and stuff. I'm gonna take a couple cards out of here. Like 2 cards just to make pretend, like 3 cards. And I'm gonna put them in the back flap, that back flap pocket that's back here. And then I'm just gonna kind of fling my car keys in there and see what we're looking like. So it's looking a little weird, right? It's looking a little bit bulky. So we're gonna play a little bit of Tetris. Because the things are fitting. It's just a matter of how they're fitting. Okay, so we got the phone, we got the charger. I'm gonna take the battery pack and put it horizontally. I'm gonna take the keys and put them in kind of where they fit and put the lipstick on top. That in a little bit more. Okay, and that's pretty good. I mean, it's a little bit bulkier, but I feel like it's preference. It depends on how much you would want your leather to stretch, if you'd want to have your bag look like this. But for me, this is what I could fit in it, and this is how it go out. I got my keys, I got some cards, I'll probably stick some cash in there later. I got a battery pack, a phone charger, and a phone, a pretty big one too. And then if you take the phone out, then it's honestly back to normal. So if you're just walking around with your clutch like this, you got your phone in your hand like this, you're good to go. So I hope that's helpful. When I was looking to purchase the item, I didn't really see a lot of large size reviews, so I hope this helps. I would definitely recommend for you to get it. If you get it, I don't know, message me, tag me in your post on Instagram. Yeah, we can chat about how you like your bag, and I hope this is a helpful review for you. Helpful review unboxing type of thing. So I plan on growing this channel. So if you're seeing this, give me different ideas of what you want to see. If you want to see like a natural hair tutorial, I'm not great at makeup, but I can, I don't know, do some reviews on some products and things that I like, some routines that I have. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.